in 3 classes. This model features a more powerful Rolls-Royce Trent XWB-97 engine versus a shorter A350-1000. For there are 1,237 total orders of the A350 family so far, from 55 customers at the end of January 2024. And 584 A350s are already flying on around 900 different routes in the world. And the first A350-900 was delivered in December 2014 to Qatar Airways. And the A350-1000 version flying here, first time operation also with Qatar Airways on the 24th of February 2018. Has continued to gather momentum. Over the past year, the Taiwan expanded its customer base by 8 additional top-ranking airlines across almost all continents. EB